don't accept Hare Krishna mantra as a counteracting it. We have to come to the pure chant. Of course, in the beginning, because we do not know, we may commit offenses. But by chanting, as we become purified, we must have our aim to become offenseless. Nam aparad is the beginning. We should not give up chanting, even there is offenses. Because by chanting, he shall be purified. So if one is able to chant Hare Krishna mantra without any offenses, he becomes immediately liberated. This is the reason. He is Mokta Purush, liberated person, who is chanting Hare Krishna mantra without any offense. And when pure chanting will be there, then he awakens his original dormant love of Krishna. This is the result.